What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings and I have the Seoul Beauty Box from March. Seoul Beauty is a quarterly subscription. So basically you pay for 3 months and after that 3 months you can cancel, but it sends a box every month for that 3 months of the subscription you pay for. And typically you get like 6, sometimes 5, depending on how costly they are, of full-size Korean skincare and or makeup. Let's see what's inside. First is this low molecule marine collagen perfecting cleanser from Sapphire. It says 300 DA low molecular collagen, hydrolyzed collagen extender, deep facial cleansing. I'm not really sure what all of that means, but it sounds really good. Next is a moisture balance mask. This is from July Me, Sunset Freesia. This is a damage relief shampoo, a perfume shampoo. So let's see how it smells. Ooh, it smells super sweet and very floral. I actually really like this scent. I'm very excited to try this. Hold on, my cat's trying to get out. This is baby kitty. Look how big he is. He's a big boy. Next in here is the Double Up Cream from Epi. It says hydrates and supports the look of healthy skin. This protects your moisture barrier. This has ectoine and panthenol. Again, I'm not really sure what those products do. Maybe I'll like put a little thing down here. Both of us can learn together. Ooh, that's interesting. Last is this Vegetology, I think it's a toner. It says viniferine water essence. That sounds like a toner to me. Although I do not plan on renewing my Seoul Beauty subscription, I just have so many products at the moment. I wanna work through what I have. I have really enjoyed the products they've sent. Ooh, beautiful bottle. It's like this beautiful frosted glass. And that is what was in my March Seoul Beauty subscription box. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.